July is where peak summer meets forward planning. Consumers are fully in the moment, grilling, gathering, celebrating, but for advertisers, this is also when attention starts shifting to what's coming next. We start with Canada Day and the 4th of July, two of the biggest food and celebration moments of the summer. Grilling, gatherings, snacks, and drinks dominate as households plan large format meals and social occasions. This is high-intent, high-volume activity where brands need to be present as shopping lists are built. Running alongside this is summer grilling, which continues to deliver scale and consistency. From weeknight barbecues to weekend hosting, consumers are repeatedly searching for recipes, marinades, sides, and cooking inspiration. It's one of the strongest opportunities for repeat exposure and staying top of mind. But as July progresses, the focus begins to shift. Back-to-school planning starts earlier than many expect. Parents begin thinking about routines, lunch boxes, and everyday meals. For food brands, this is a key moment to influence habits early. Getting into the lunch rotation now can mean long-term repeat purchases. From there, we look ahead to Labor Day, the final major grilling and outdoor occasion of the season. It's the last big moment for barbecue, gatherings, and end-of-summer celebrations, making it an important campaign window to close out summer strong. And beyond that, the calendar starts to build quickly. Halloween, Black Friday, and even Christmas begin to enter the planning window. While they may feel far off, media buyers and planners are already mapping budgets, audiences, and strategies, making July a critical moment to secure early positioning. All of these seasonal segments are powered by our food-focused contextual technology. Ingredients, occasions, cuisines, and shopping cues map to high-intent pages. They're ready for activation via programmatic deals or through our managed campaigns team, and we can also build custom segments around your brand, competitors, or specific audiences. To get started, talk to your Gourmet Ads account manager about activating July's seasonal segments and planning ahead for the months that matter most.